Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 16. Let's learn another 30 words for intermediate students. Happen. What happened? Whose? Whose bag is that? Afternoon. We spent a nice afternoon at the beach. Sustain, sustainable. Sustainable development is part of the program. Reply. He hasn't replied yet. Must. A must. This solution is a must. Deputy. Deputy manager or deputy director or director. Please contact my deputy during my absence. Zero. O. Nil. Love. The match ended 2-0. Apartment. We rented an apartment. Battery. My battery is dead. Dry. Drought. Droughts are a global problem. Struggle. Don't give up without a struggle. Search. I've been searching for it for 2 days. Let. Let it go. The apartment is to let. Color. Which color do you want? Everybody, everyone. Everyone on the dance floor. Mistake. We have made a mistake. Page. Which page are we on? Stiff. I have a stiff shoulder. Agency. You should have contacted the agency. Lift. Can you lift that box by yourself? Wednesday or Wednesday. What do you have planned for Wednesday? Roof. Roofer. Our roof is leaking. Happy, unhappy. I'm unhappy about it. Maybe it will be better. column. The third column is correct. Sleep, slept, slept. I slept badly yesterday. Wrong. You have a wrong number. Lawn. I'm going to mow the lawn. And that's it for today. Bye-bye.